The event, which I'm sure you'll hear from my other colleagues, is focused on executives from very important companies in China, Korea, Japan, elsewhere in Asia Pacific. Brings together these decision makers to look at future trends, how those trends affect the business, how they can leverage the technologies that we provide in order to bring together an environment that allows each company to be more competitive, more efficient, and move forward at a faster rate. We'll be focused on really 4 or 5 big key concepts. And of course these vary industry by industry, and we have representatives from automotive and shipbuilding and really a wide variety of other technical industries, from consumer electronics to machine design. But what we find that across all those industries, there are some common threads. The amount of information being stored in Teamcenter and other enterprise systems is really growing very, very fast. There's a concept that many of you, I'm sure, are aware of, big data, that has to do with how we can bring analytics together with these data stores to effectively distill the information necessary to make a decision quickly. When you take the engineering data, manufacturing data, warranty data, other supply chain information, there really can be terabytes and terabytes of information. And the Teamcenter Analytics is a very important tool set in order to allow customers to really play those different data sets off against each other, different data items off against each other, and see visually what the impact is. It might be something in our active workspace of looking at which suppliers are across a product by looking at different, what we call color maps, or visual reports that show that dispersion of each of the suppliers across the product. Might show project status, might even show warranty status. So we use the analytics of Teamcenter to bring these massive data sets together and provide that early insight to an engineer. As you know, over the years, there's been an exponential increase in computer power, storage, network capability. That combination, together with both on-premise and off-premise, or what many people will call cloud deployments, allow really the enterprise systems to work in a very efficient fashion, to be deployed quickly, to cooperate and coordinate with off-premise implementations like the cloud for supplier integration, on-premise implementations where the proprietary intellectual property is. And we'll be talking through all the different deployment strategies and what we've enabled with Teamcenter. This is high on the minds of many of the executives here, because they want to make sure that they can leverage that capability. Many companies have really seen the key value of taking the early design, what we start in conceptual design, the overall functional and logical models of a product, and being able to refine those over time to add new information, new detail as decisions are made through that whole life cycle down to the manufacturing. And that systems engineering approach allows us to look at the entire product from the very beginning all the way through its refinement to the actual manufacturing and then on into overall operation. We'll also be talking about supply chain integration, how to bring customers and their suppliers and the OEM together into a network of interacting systems and people. And by doing this, by combining together IT trends that I mentioned, the technological trends that we've enabled in Teamcenter and NX and Technomatics, and the issues around the supply chain and connecting to that group of customers and the ecosystem around the company, we'll be able to talk with each of the executives here about a strategy that's most effective for them to really drive to the next level of productivity. So it's an exciting time. We have some great discussions ahead of us, and we've already accomplished some till now. So thank you very much.